Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily customize your RGB on your RAZER keyboard. So let me quickly switch my camera to the this view. As you can see, now we can see our LEDs clearly. And now in our RAZER Synapse application we have to move to our device and modules and see if we have our RAZER BlackWidow updated. If we do, we have to go to dashboard and tap on our device. Here we have the customization, but this is not this one. We have to go to lightning. Here we have effects and advanced effects. If we click quick effects, we can see that we have here the list, and out of this list we have ambient awareness, audiometer, whirring, fire, reactive, ripple, spectrum cycling, starlight, static, wave, and wheel. We can move between all these, as you can see, settings, set the different directions, set all these effects. If you want to set advanced effects, we have to tap install RAZER Chroma. And let me quickly move after we install this application. And so we are back. So let me now move my camera to the different mode just to give a clear view. Here, as you can see, we have our keyboard and Chroma. Here we have to scroll down to our keyboard and advanced effects, launch Chroma Studio, skip tutorial. Here, as you can see, we have every button that is on our keyboard, even this bottom one. We can tap on each button or select all this one. Here we can set different, as you can see, effects on our keyboard. It's not that difficult, and we can just customize our keyboard here. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.